Look up at the night sky on a clear evening, far from city lights, and you might be seeing something truly extraordinary. A faint, hazy glow. Not a star, not a cloud, but an entire galaxy. This is the Andromeda Galaxy, our closest major galactic neighbor, and one of the most fascinating objects in the universe. It contains trillions of stars, countless planets, mysterious black holes, and a future that's deeply connected to our own galaxy. In today's video, we're diving deep into Andromeda, what it is, where it came from, what it looks like, and what will happen when it meets the Milky Way. The Andromeda Galaxy, also known as Messier 31 or M31, is a massive spiral galaxy located about 2.5 million light-years from Earth. That might sound incredibly far, and it is, but in cosmic terms, Andromeda is practically next door. It's the nearest large galaxy to the Milky Way and the biggest member of our local group of galaxies. Andromeda is a spiral galaxy, similar in shape to our own. It has sweeping arms made of gas, dust, and stars, all rotating around a bright central core. What makes Andromeda truly mind-blowing is its size. It's actually larger than the Milky Way, spanning roughly 220,000 light-years across, and it may contain over 1 trillion stars. Andromeda has been known to humanity for a very long time. Ancient astronomers recorded it as a faint cloud in the sky, long before telescopes even existed. In the year 964, Persian astronomer Abd al-Rahman al-Sufi described it as a small cloud in his book of fixed stars. But it wasn't until the 20th century that scientists realized something revolutionary. For a long time, astronomers believed the Milky Way was the entire universe. Then, in the 1920s, astronomer Edwin Hubble discovered that Andromeda was far beyond our galaxy. That single discovery changed everything. It proved that the universe was filled with other galaxies, not just our own. If we could travel millions of light years and see Andromeda up close, we'd witness a truly spectacular sight. At its center lies a dense, glowing core containing a supermassive black hole, even more massive than the one in the Milky Way. Radiating outward are massive spiral arms filled with young blue stars, pink clouds of star-forming gas, dark lanes of cosmic dust. Andromeda also has hundreds of satellite galaxies, smaller galaxies trapped by its gravity, slowly orbiting around it. Some of these satellites are being torn apart, stretched into long streams of stars, clear evidence that Andromeda is still growing and evolving. Naturally, we want to know how Andromeda compares to our home galaxy. Both are spiral galaxies. Both contain supermassive black holes. Both are packed with stars, planets, and cosmic mystery. But Andromeda is likely more massive, with a stronger gravitational pull. Interestingly, astronomers believe the Milky Way and Andromeda have already interacted in the distant past, exchanging small galaxies and streams of stars. These two giants are not strangers. They're partners in a slow, inevitable cosmic dance. Here's where things get really exciting. Andromeda is moving toward the Milky Way at a speed of about 110 kilometers per second. In roughly 4 to 5 billion years, the two galaxies will collide. But don't panic. This won't be a typical crash. Space is so vast that individual stars are extremely unlikely to hit each other. Instead, the galaxies will pass through one another, their shapes stretching and warping over billions of years. Eventually, they'll merge into a single, massive galaxy, often nicknamed Milky. From Earth, if it still exists, Andromeda would grow larger and brighter in the sky, filling it with stars like a cosmic fireworks show. With over 1 trillion stars, it's almost certain that Andromeda contains billions of planets. Some of those planets likely sit in habitable zones, where liquid water could exist. Could life exist there? Possibly. But even if intelligent life does exist in Andromeda, communication would be nearly impossible. A message traveling at the speed of light would take 2.5 million years to arrive. Still, the thought is awe-inspiring. Entire civilizations may rise and fall in Andromeda without us ever knowing. The Andromeda galaxy reminds us of how vast, dynamic, and interconnected the universe truly is. It's not just a distant object in the sky, it's part of our cosmic story. A neighbor, a future partner, a reminder that even galaxies are temporary. The next time you look up at the night sky, remember, that faint glow is a galaxy of 1 trillion stars, slowly making its way toward us. And in the grand scale of the universe, we are all part of the same incredible journey.